We're now on the final stages of completing our Jason log cabin. To finish it off, I'm going to start focusing on the doors. With both the slave door and the lock housing door now hung, I'm going to check to see if any hinge adjustment is needed to align both doors correctly. After checking, I can see that there is a difference at the top of both doors, as well as the gap that sits in between the slave door and the lock housing door. So I'm now going to adjust the hinges accordingly to ensure the gap in between the doors is between 3 and 6 millimeters, and that both doors are sitting perfectly level at the top. To assess what adjustment is needed, I'm going to start by placing a small spirit level on top of the slave door and also the lock housing door to see what adjustment is needed. With the bottom caps removed from all 3 hinges, I'm going to use an Allen key, find the bolt that's hidden within the cap and make adjustments to bring the entire door downwards in line with the slave door. I took some time to make sure all of the hinges were adjusted correctly, and now with both doors in the closed position, they are nice and level at the top and the gap is consistent from top to bottom in between the 2 doors.